In 2009, lawyers who had marched during the lawyers' movement for the restoration of judges, they had done so under the slogan of the rule of law. Today, when lawyers boycott court proceedings and stop litigants from entering the courtroom because their demand for transferring an ADJ has not been addressed by the Chief Justice, they too raise the slogan of rule of law. So clearly there is a change in the perspective of the rule of law. It seems that with the success of the lawyers' movement propelling them, the bar associations, bar councils became power players. And that brought about a change in their perspective towards the rule of law. Similarly, for a politician out of government, freedom of speech and the right to assembly is all too sacred. But when in power, that same speech by another person is classified as subversive, and that same assembly is classified as unlawful assembly. Again, with the shift into power, perception of the rule of law tends to change.